Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is on the 3rd of April on a Thursday. This is what we did yesterday. We were looking for sales below 31.10. None of them made sense, the sales. All of them are null and void. For the buys, though, the buys, I remember the first time this candle broke above this point, I took a buy from this point. Let me show you. I took a buy from this point and went all the way to this point, and then I exited. Then the market went down. Again, the market, this candle closed over here. I took another buy. Somehow it was a bit shaky because it went up, came back down, and all this stuff. Got to this point again, I exited. This one I didn't catch it. This is now the effect on the Trump speech, the speech that Trump was giving. See how the market behaved? Crazily pushed way down, then came back up, went all the way, closed over here. The next candle started, pushed down, and spiked up, went to hit all our take profits over here, all the way to 31, 31.70, 31.68. Wow. Okay, great. So we have a new high on gold. We have a new all-time high, which is now 31. Well, let's see it very well. It's around 31.67. That's the new high. All right. What do we have in terms of news? In terms of news today, you see how the news did yesterday? Today we have unemployment claims and we have the ISM at 5 p.m. So that's good. That's good. All right. See how the Trump effect? Yeah, that's the Trump effect over there. All right, let's see. What can we do today and what should we be looking at today? It's called the Trump effect in the market once again. Hey, man, I mean, hey, okay. You know what? Let's just do this analysis. The market is always sweet. And the market will always give you a lot of opportunities. So you don't need to kill yourself because you missed an opportunity. No, you don't need to be so hard on yourself because you missed an opportunity today or yesterday. Imagine today is a fresh new day. There are fresh new analysis, fresh new movements that are going to be happening today. So instead of clogging your mind on focusing on what you did yesterday or what you didn't do yesterday, focus on what you're gonna do today. That's why I do this morning analysis every day. You see it right now? I'm focusing on what can I get today from this market? What can I seize from the market today? I also didn't trade the Trump news, the Trump speech. It was a speech. I didn't really want to risk the speech because I know. Plus, it was at 11 p.m. at night. So, wow, this is a very nice sell, man. It's a very nice sell. The candle closed below this point. This one starting and it's pushing down. It's actually a very nice sell, to be honest. All right. So that's a very nice place to put in the cells, to be honest. The market looks really nice. Yeah. Actually, you know what this is? change your cells. I've actually jumped into the sell, to be honest. I was just taking a sell because this meets the criteria of what I wanted to see. A break below these candles over here and candle close over there. Then I need to see this one push a bit up over here and then come down, probably fill this week. Do a week fill. It's gonna do a week fill. 31.40. Oh, sorry. Most probably gonna do that week fill. That's gonna be really good. Remember what I told you? Anytime there's these weeks, long weeks, it's counted as a gap in the market. So, okay, it's not really counted as a gap, but it's almost like a place where the market went and was rejected. So it's gonna need to fill that place, and that's why when you're trading, you have a lot of things that you look at, including such areas where market needs to fill the wicks to do weak fills. He's pushing. Yeah, need those places where market needs to do the fills. The buyers I'm gonna take in from there. Potential buys above that one. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 54. 554 over there. Long position. Honestly, I'm okay with pushing just up to where the new high is. See, that's a new high. It's a non-retested high. Then down here, I'm okay to pull the market short, go down with it all the way to this point. With all the honesty, I think this market is gonna come down here. So you're gonna have this one maintained. You're gonna have this one over here. Yeah. So something like that. Ooh, and it's pushing. But the fact that these candles are closing with no wicks, the bottom, see the way these candles are closing? No wicks at the bottom. So it means the buy rejection is actually zero at this time. It's more of bearish pressure pushing down and down and down. And it's gonna go to the top profit anyway. All right. So that's what I'm going to be looking at, yeah? This is what I'm going to be looking at. I want to see this candle push down and down, and I want to see if we get a buy above this point. We want to see over there. All right, keep watching this. Risk manage what you can, what you can be able to risk. Of course, risk manage your trades very well. Trade what you see, not what you think. And let's see you tomorrow. All right, bye bye. Take care.